is LUQOTW, my weekly game show where I ask you a puzzle question and the first person to answer it correctly gets a point for either the champions from the previous seasons or the rest of the world. And if your team gets to 11 points first, then you get $10 for every point you contributed to that, plus an additional $100 for the overall winner. Before we get to this week's question, let's answer last week's question. The question was, what's this song? Christopher Lort, Christian Barbieri, Jerry, MrDanglyLegs, Obinix, Jimothy, 11x11, Ask to Learn, all said, we will rock you. And the first one to comment and our winner is Jerry. Congratulations to you. This gives Jerry his third win, which puts him in 12th place on my overall leaderboard. And this puts him in first place for a 4-way tie in this season. And this brings his total to $55. And this gives the world their 11th points, which means that they have won this season. And this means Christopher Lort, MrDanglyLegs and Jerry will all be joining the Past Champions for next season. Big congratulations to KC, who has won twice in a row. I can't believe this, but I somehow predicted the final score in my intro. And all the people that have won money are right here. Be sure to email me at this email address here and I will transfer you the money, either PayPal, gift card or Australian bank details. And to congratulate the people who contributed points to the world, here's a question just for you. And the winner gets to come on this show next week on video call to try and win even more money. The question is, which two words go with bed, security and green? And remember, you have to get the right number of letters for it to count. Please keep an eye on your YouTube notifications because the winner will be notified immediately. Who will it be and what will I make them do? Find out next week on LUQOTW.